So we have to integrate this part. Integration of dx by bracket x square minus 2x plus 10 whole square. Okay, so look at the problem. If you'll observe, if we don't have this 2, what I will do? I will convert the denominator quadratic into completing the square. Means I will be writing this question in the form of dx by x square plus minus a square. Okay, so this thing I will handle. But in this case, if you'll observe, they have using 2 in it. So again, you know that you have to take help of substitution. And majorly, if you will observe, you cannot take anything as z, because everything is okay, correct now. So it will become difficult to handle this situation. So what we will do, we will take something trigonometric thing. Okay, so you must have solved, you must have gone through the video G1. Over there you have observed that on denominator we have something plus something and then whole square. So it is also of the same type. Okay, you can take inspiration from there and you can handle this situation accordingly. So what is my idea? I will break this function. So look at this. I will be writing dx, and then look at the denominator. If you'll observe, you have x square, you have minus 2ab, means this thing is containing x na, so hopefully it will become 2ab. As it is having minus in front of it, that's why I'm calling it to be minus 2ab. So can I write that thing as x square minus 2a? What should be the value of b, so that this component and this component becomes the same? So it is already same. So what I will do, I will take b as 1. Now you have a square, you have minus 2ab, now you need b square. So 1 square minus 1 square. Correct? Now plus of 10, and then we have whole square. Okay, just be super slow, have patience. You will understand the concept. Every dot will get connected. So can I write x minus 1 whole square? This thing will become x minus 1 whole square, and then we have 10 minus 1 becomes 9, and 9 is 3 ka square. Is that okay? So till this part I feel that you guys are comfortable. Now what I will do, I will take 3 square common. Okay, so look at this, what will happen. If I'll take 3 square common, we will be having 1 by, first 3 square will come outside, and because of this square, that 3 square will become 3 ka power 4. 3 ka power 4 is 81. And we have x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1. Correct? Till this part, I hope you guys are okay. Now what I will do you remember that over there we have taken 10 as z? So look at this. If you will write this element as 10, you will have 10 square theta plus 1. 10 square theta plus 1 will become sec square theta, and hopefully we can handle. So what I will do, I will take x minus 1 by 3 as tan theta. Now do the difference. First send 3 that side, so it is 3 tan theta. Now x minus 1. Now do the differentiation. The differentiation of x becomes 1, differentiation of 1 becomes 0, and then 3 sec square theta d theta by dx. Okay, so can I write dx as 3 sec square theta d theta? Now be super slow. This was dx. Now in place of dx, can I write 3 sec square theta d theta, and then we have 81, and we have tan square theta plus 1 cos square. बताओ. So 1 plus tan square theta becomes sec square theta. Sec square theta का power 2 becomes sec power 4, and sec power 4 and sec power 2 will get neutralized, and we will be left with sec square theta. So can I rewrite this question as first 3 can also be neutralized? So we will be having 54 1 by 54 integration of d theta by sec square theta. Is that okay? Now send this sec square theta on the numerator, because we don't know the differentiation integration of 1 by sec square theta. So it is 54. Now it will become cos square theta. Now you know how to integrate cos theta, but you don't know how to integrate cos square theta. So have you ever seen cos square theta in any formula? Yes. There was one formula, cos 2 theta, means we have to break down the power. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now here you need 2 cos square theta. So what I will do, I will multiply and divide by 2. So that you will have cos square theta, and your question will become what? 1 by 1 naught. Wait. We did some mistake. So this thing will be 27, not 54. Okay, so by mistake I wrote this is 27, this is also 27, and then I have multiplied and divided by 2, so this thing will become 54. Okay, now can I write that 2 cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta? Now 1 by 54 is common, so taken outside. Now differentiation of 1 is, integration of 1 is theta, and cos theta is sine 2 theta by 2, and then we will have integration constant c. Now you have to replace the theta with the help of this component, tan inverse x minus 1 by 3. So you will get your required result done, and accordingly you can answer this question, that which person becomes a and which person becomes f of x. I hope the idea is clear. And now if you'll have these kind of ugly situations, you can think about trigonometric substitutions. Okay.